Ohio's 2016 Opiate Conference is going on today and tomorrow at the Hyatt Regency in Columbus.
It's the 7th annual conference as our state continues to deal with this heroin and painkiller epidemic. The conference bringing together leaders from different industries. They're talking about prevention, treatment, and recovery. Some of today's panels focused on special drug courts and how people in recovery can actually find jobs. NBC4's Olivia FECTEAU was there today. She's been speaking to people affected by this problem. And Olivia, it is still such a huge problem for us.
It certainly is, Dwayne. And from recovering addicts to parents to people in the legal field, people I've spoken with say prison time does not fix the problem of addiction. The court system is one way for addicts to get into treatment, but one mother I spoke with says it's done her family more harm than good. Tracy Morrison's daughters, Jenna and Kaylee, have been using heroin since 2008.
You're in a horrible situation. Your kid's stealing from you, and you didn't raise him this way.
The family has tried it all, from treatment to jail. In 2008, Morrison filed charges against her girls to get them help.
One was charged with 5 felonies, one was charged with 3. It set off a cycle of the criminal justice system that we haven't been able to get out of since.
You can't send people to prison and expect an outcome with a disease. You wouldn't do that with breast cancer. But on the other hand, you have to hold the addict accountable.
Judge Scott VANDERKARR ran drug court in Franklin County until he stepped down in January to join attorney Brad Koffel. They help parents file criminal charges to get their adult children into treatment.
Well, it's counterintuitive to call the police on your son or daughter. It's not counterintuitive to call the paramedics when they're overdosing.
Charlie Stewart struggled with addiction from high school until his early 20s.
Stole, cheated, manipulated, hurt the people who were closest to me. I burned a lot of bridges.
Misdemeanor charges landed him in drug court. Now 24, he's in recovery and helps others in the same situation.
We can stop it before it gets to that point, or if they're at that point, we can make it better from there.
Recovery has been tougher for the Morrisons. With felony records, jobs and housing are out of reach.
It's doing a whole lot more damage than it is good.
Tracy Morrison's younger daughter, Jenna, was set to be released from jail today. She'll now be heading down to Piketon to re-enter treatment for the next few months. Morrison says she's hopeful this will help Jenna stay clean. Live in the studio, Olivia FECTEAU, NBC4.